Today we're going to solve this little puzzle. It's like a checkers puzzle, and it's this mysterious energy location here on the map in Hernand, and it's west of the main town just by a little bit, and south of the A by a little bit, and it's kind of right by where you do the cuckoo pots, the little factory right over there on the right hand of the map. But here it is on the main map right here. It's very easy to find this location, and it should show up with a question mark right there by the river. So let's get into it. It's very easy. What we're gonna do is, it might looks kind of complicated, but you're just gonna walk over here and you're going to notice that over on this side of the puzzle there's 3 black tiles, like round tiles in a row, and then there's a bunch of white ones in a row with 1 space missing. So just come over here and carry this white stone, and we're gonna just put it in that space that is missing one. So very simple. Okay, now if for some reason this doesn't work right away, then you're going to want to walk around the tiles and look for any like green mounds, which are actually creatures, and you're going to kill those and get those off of the tile map. I've noticed some other people had problems with that. I did not have to mess with any of those on my playthrough, but there you go. And then you'll be able to get the Abyss Crescent open, and you'll be able to get your prize. So there we go. Really simple, but it may not be that intuitive from the get-go. So if you're struggling, then hopefully this helps you out. Let me know in the comments. Until next time, take care and happy gaming, everyone.